ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास चतुस्त्रिंशत् अभ्यास शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासः। सो जस्ट अ recap of what we saw yesterday. द्वे महत्वपूर्णे सूत्रे सन्ति, द्वे मुख्ये सूत्रे सन्ति। प्रथमः लटः शत्रुशाणचा प्रथमा समानाधिकरणे। This one says Vidhayika, you can say Vidhayika Sutra for Shatru and Shanach. Ekameva Sutre. Punah Shapshyor Nityam. Shapshyanor Nityam. It is Strilinga. Strilinga Vachanena Vidhayika Nasti Apavada Sutra, you can say. Mukhya Sutra. Gauna Sutra Asti. Shapshyanor Nityam. Strilinga Shabdani Gacchati. एकवचनं भवति गच्छन्ति इति। गच्छन्ति गच्छन्त्यौ गच्छन्त्यः इति भ्वादि दिवादि चुरादि तुदादि गणाभ्यां धातवः गच्छन्ति। अपि च अदादि स्वादि क्रियादि तनादि जुहात्यादि गणानां धातवः रुदति। नकार नास्ति, नकारलोपः भवति। दिस् इस् दट् शप्ष्यनौ नित्यम्। अस्तु, उदाहरणवाक्य स गृहं गच्छन् अस्ति, आसीत्, भविष्यति। किं भवति ट्रांसलेशन?
वह घर जा रहा है,
अथवा वह घर जा रहा था। और the third one I think is we can't say जाएगा, I think it is वह घर जाने वाला है। हाँ, सही। He will be going.
He will be going.
जाने वाला।
वो जाने वाला है।
जाने वाला है। और yeah, it is lit lakara, but the correct Hindi sentence form I am not sure of. But it will be he will be going. ING Rupa will come. In Shatru Shanach, it is all continuous. So ING Rupa comes everywhere. Tau griham gacchantau staha astam va. Kim bhavati, kim bhavishyati.
Akarji, who do you want?
Anyone.
Okay, so because they were all quiet. Tau graham gachantaus taha. वे दोनों घर जा रहे हैं।
ये दोनों घर जा रहे हैं और आस्ताम लंग लकार।
घर जा चुके हैं।
सत्यम। जा रहे थे।
Okay, आस्ताम is past tense, right?
जा रहे थे।
Continuous tense.
ते गृहं गच्छन्तः सन्ति आसन् वा। हाँ,
वे सब, right?
हाँ, करेक्ट।
सब ग्रह जा रहे हैं, वे सब घर जा रहे थे।
सत्यम। त्वं गच्छन् असि आसीः वा। So everything Shatru Shanach generally, if we know those two words, जैसे the kriya pada and the pratyaya pada, or pratyaya pada, that is as dhatu and whichever pratyaya dhatu. That is all. It really does not require any further kind of great technical acumen or knowledge. You just have to know the kriya pada and the dhatu pada. And once we know, it is a little more challenging writing in Shatru and Shanach. because you have to see which shabdas are not required, because generally we will be used to writing. We'll come to this. There is one example. This one, for example, this last line, we will be used to writing jab मैं पढ़ रहा था, यदि यदा मैं आपठत, in that way we would say pathami sma, in that way we would say. But then with Shatrishana you can change this rupa completely and be more effective, efficient with language. The writing will be little more challenging, but that also will be easy after some practice. Tvam gachanasi asihi va. This is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Asi asihi.
तुम घर जा रहे हो, तुम घर जा रहे थे.
सत्यम. अहम गच्छनस्मि आसम. So मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. अच्छा, मैं जा रहा हूँ. सत्यम, करेक्ट, थैंक यू. या तुम जा रहे थे, तुम जा रहे हैं वैसे. एंड मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा था. Everything is the same they have given, just lat lakara and lang lakara. Bhalika gacchanti asti. Why gacchanti? It should be gacchanti, right? Ikara matra. Or it should be gacchati. Why gacchanti?
Strilinga, ekavachana.
Yes. Through which sutra?
Strilinga, ekavachana. This is that Shapshyano Nityam.
Satyam.
Shapshanor nityam.
Correct. Shapshanor nityam. Shapshanor nityam sutra says Strilinga in Dvadigana, Divadigana, Churadigana, Trudadigana. So Gachan, Gam Dhatu is Dvadigana. In Dvadigana Dhatu, Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana ke roop ant mein E jod do. So Gachanti will be Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana, but instead of the Harsva E, put Dirgha. Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha, in that way. So Balikaha, if I want to say. If I say Balikaha, what would I say?
Gachantyau.
Gachantyaha. Balike Gachantyau. Balike is Dvivachanam. Balikaha, Bahuvachanam. Same, that is what they have said here. Balike Gachantyau. And Balika Gachantyaha. Acha, I didn't see this, but you see it is the same. The only difference will be Asti. Asti because Ekavachanam. Staha Dvivachanam. Santi Bahuvachanam. That's all. And because it is Bahuvachanam, because Balikaha, it will be Gachantyaha. Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha. Gachantyau, Staha. Gachantyaha, Santi. Phalam patat asti. Kim bhavati? Kim bhavishyati?
फल गिर रहा है.
पतत अस्ति, गिर रहा है. फलानि पतंती संति, फलों और फलें क्या बोलते हैं बहुवचन के लिए?
फल का पूरा फल ही होता है.
अच्छा, फल ही होता है.
फल, हाँ.
अच्छा, है तो है आएगा, अनुस्वार आएगा.
हाँ.
है.
फल गिर रहे हैं. So
गिर
based on
रहे हैं.
that, you can understand its plural.
फल गिर रहे हैं. But even if it were two phalas, in Hindi that will also be the same. If I say phale pat, that in Hindi it will be the same, but in Sanskrit of course 3 or more. Pathantam balakam likhantim balikanja pashya. Kasmin vibhakti asti pratamaha balakam balikam. Kasmin vibhakti asti?
दिया.
Satyam.
पढ़ते हुए बालक को और लिखती हुई बालिका को देखो.
Satyam. Pashya. Kasmin lakara asti?
लोट लगाकर.
Satyam. Bahu samyak. So in this way, if we analyze, there's very little for us to do after this much analysis. It will be very simple. Patata maya sarpa drishtaha.
पढ़ते हुए मेरे द्वारा सर्प दिखा गया, दिखता है.
Satya. Drishtaha. Satya. Drishtaha. Sarpa drishta. मैं पढ़ते हुए मेरे द्वारा. भोजनम कालते ब्राह्मणाय फलं देहि.
भोजन खाता हुआ या खाया हुआ. Past tense. ब्राह्मण ने फल दिया.
नहीं.
देही, देना चाहिए.
ब्राह्मणाय कस्मिन् लकार अस्ति?
ब्राह्मण के द्वारा.
नहीं. चतुर्थी. हाँ. ब्राह्मण को, ब्राह्मणाय, जैसे रामाय है ना, रामाय, ब्राह्मणाय. तो खाते हुए ब्राह्मण को,
खाते हुए ब्राह्मण को
पल दे दो, देही, लोट लकार है, लोट मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन, देही.
I thought that ब्राह्मण जिनको हम भोजन देते हैं उसने हमें ब्लेसिंग्स देने चाहिए. That whole thing was-
नहीं, उसको फ्रूट देना है, एप्पल या केला whatever. उनको उनको
It's like the word patata.
हाँ.
So if you take this pat dhatu in this kripanta, I'm not able to find patata.
तृतीया एकवचनम, तृतीया एकवचनम.
Tritiya ekvachan, can we just show it on the
Yes, sure. So Shabshin or Nityam we have. We'll go to Dhatu Pata. कृदंते you go to Shatru, Patan Shabda, Pullinga, because Patata हुआ Maya. Patan, तृतीया एकवचनम पठता.
Okay, thank you. With my fat fingers and I was tapping, it was not changing and then it changed to something else.
पठता.
Thank you.
So this is not difficult, they have just given one vibhakti. So prathama till here dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami. One vibhakti, one sentence, each vibhakti. So none of this is very challenging. Dhavataha ashvat, naraha patitaha. Aham vadami. धावतः अश्वात्, धावतः पंचमी एकवचनम.
भागता हुआ, भागता हुआ अश्व, गिरता हुआ मनुष्य.
अश्व से, अश्वात्.
Okay, भागते हुए अश्व से गिरता हुआ मनुष्य.
मनुष्य गिर रहा है, पतितः. पतितः. पठत.
धावतः also अश्व भाग रहा है, ऐसा होगा?
हाँ, नहीं, भागते हुए अश्व से मनुष्य गिर रहा, पतिता.
धावतः and पतितः का
हाँ,
जो है,
पतितः. So this is which pratyaya? पतितः कस्मिन् प्रत्यये अस्ति? त प्रत्यय. So which lakara will it be?
I think it was
continuous.
Pratama.
त प्रत्यय and
Lakara, it is lat lakara.
निष्ठा प्रत्यय is always in lang lakara. हाँ, kt and kavatu will always be in which lakara?
Tritiya, it will be Tritiya.
Lang lakara. Satyam. Dr. Sumanjay ji, Satyam. Nishtha pratyaya is always bhutkal. Always past tense. Kta and kavatu are always in, the whole point of kta and kavatu is bhutkal. Bhutkal pratyaya santi. So patitaha gira. पठतः रामस्य मुखं पश्य. षष्ठी एकवचनं रामस्य. पश्य.
Can you please explain? Patitah we said is past tense, but dhavatah is not past tense.
नहीं, धावतः is पंचमी एकवचनम of धावन. अश्वः is pullinga, right? So dhavan, so it will be dhavan in Bhagavat Shabda Rupa, patat in that. So Bhagavat Panchami Ekavachanam, Dhavat Panchami Ekavachanam, Dhavan will be Dhavataha. So since Ashwat is given, Dhavataha will also come. So Dhavataha Ashwat is Shatra Pratyaya. Patitaha is Kta Pratyaya.
Okay.
Patataha Ramasya Mukham Pashya.
पढ़ते हुए राम के मुख को देखो.
सत्यम. मयि पठति सति गुरुः आगतः.
मयि is मेरे द्वारा.
Mayi is Saptami Ekavachanam. Maya is mere dwara, Tritiya. Mayi is Saptami. They have given in brackets, right? When you get Mayi Patati Sati, Saptami. Actually, there was one Udaharana Vakya with some Brahmana who was studying, Brahmana was eating. I remember that Udaharana Vakya somewhere. Anyway, Mayi Patati Sati, जब मैं पढ़ रहा था तब गुरु आगतः, तब गुरु आया. जब मैं पढ़ रहा था. So this आगतः also is like पतितः. मयि पठति सति.
जब मैं पढ़ रहा था तब गुरु आए.
गुरु आए. गुरु आगतः. So this in Hindi also there is, you see, Dvavimshati, it is the same. So we have to use the same version. Mai likhati sati, we will come to that. Astu, Ram aa raha hai. This I will only say, this is very easy. Ramaha agachati, you can say. Sorry, not agachati. Here is where the difference comes, right? The difference between agachati versus if I want to use agachan asti. What is the difference?
रामः गच्छन् अस्ति.
गच्छन् अस्ति जा रहा है.
आगच्छन् अस्ति.
Agachan asti. But agachati will be what in Hindi?
आया है, and that is आ रहा है.
आता है. आया है will be past tense, right? Bhutakal. Like he has come. But if I say agachati, he is coming. He comes. Aata hai. He comes. And aa raha hai, he is coming. This will be agachan asti. Continuous tense. So this is the difference between lat lakar hai and shatri pratyay. Aata hai, aa raha hai. Jata hai, ja raha hai. Padhta hai, pad raha hai. Raha will come. ING rupa comes only in shatri pratyay. That is the only difference. Otherwise, it is the same. That small difference in lakar. वे दोनों पढ़ रहे हैं. किम भविष्यति? सत्यम. तौ पठन्तौ. Very simple, easy शब्द.
अस्ति, right?
तौ पठन्तौ स्तः, you can say. अस्ति नास्ति. अस्ति is for एकवचनम.
One person.
वे दोनों. So patantau staha. But patantau is also okay, because for this, like how they have said balike gachantyau staha, in that way they have said, so tau patantau staha. But in, when we read Bhashatika and all, the long sentences, they will not always bother with that staha, asti. Patantau you have to understand, and it will come as two words in a 20-word sentence. So maybe in the end there will be some staha. This has to be understood. तौ पठन्तौ स्तः और तौ पठन्ति. वे सब लिख रहे हैं. ते लिखन्ति.
ते लिखिष्यति.
ते लिखन्तः सन्ति.
Why लिखन्तः and why लिखिष्यति?
Because it is the भविष्यति
रहे हैं.
It is continuous present.
Present. Future. Lit lakara will get bhavishyati.
So I was just following गच्छन्तः सन्ति.
You are following. It should be santi. Santi. But Agaji, you are following gacchantyaha. You are saying, right?
गच्छन्तः सन्ति.
Gacchantyaha is for ladiki, balikaha. You can say they are all balika. That is possible. Your reasoning you can give. Ways of, there are 3 women there. You can say. But if it is pullinga, then gacchantyaha is correct in that sense. But if it were pullinga, but sorry, it is not correct. In that sense, you will not say te. You will have to say taha. Sa te taha. Taha gacchantyaha santi. If you say te, it has to be pullinga because sahatau te.
Okay. Yes.
Te will be te likanti santi. Likati, likataha, likanti. Likanti bas.
Te likanti santi. That would be for the
Pullinga, satyam. And if you were to say strilinga, then you say taha likantyaha. santi. That will be also.
लिखत्याः सन्ति.
Because lik dhatu is which gana? That will make a difference. So lik dhatu, for example, it is not bhadi, right? There is gunakarya is there, so it is tudadi. Tudadi gana dhatu, I guess that also have the same shabshan or pratyam. Okay, tudadi gana also have likanti, so it will be likantyaha. If, for example, we had tanadi, tanoti shabda had come. If tanoti had come, it would be not kurvanti, it will just be ti in the end. Nakara will get lopa at the end. So that will be the difference. Since lik dhatu is tudadi gana, you can say likanti. Hey, exactly. Likanti nahi hoga, kuch aur dhatu hoga. Lik dhatu is always in tudadi gana. You have to take some dhatu in that gana. Satyam. Astu. Tu has raha hai. Tvam. Hasan asti. हाँ. But Hasan asti, if I say, and I want to do. Sorry. हाँ. Hasan asi. Correct. Hasan asi. But if I want to do sandhi karya here, what will it become? Hasan asi, I am saying. But with sandhi, we have not seen this sandhi in Rachna Novel Comedy. That is the hint. This sandhi has not come in Rachna Novel Comedy.
Sorry, you broke off a bit in there. What is the question?
Sorry.
Hasan Asi.
There are two words, right? If I want to make this one word, if I want to use sandhi to make it into one word, what will that one word be? Sorry?
Hasan Asi.
Hasan asi with single nakara or double nakara?
Double nakara.
We did not see.
That Akash ji gave Hasan Asi to nahi hai, because we have seen that sandhi karya in Rachna Novel Comedy.
Oh.
There is a sandhi sutra. Ngamo raswadachi ngamo nityam. Ngamun nityam. We had not seen this, but we can see it now. When nakara comes before a swara, you see, hrasva swarat paraha padante vidyamanaha ya nga na varna. Tasmat parasya achvarnaha samitayam yathasankyam nut agamaha bhavati. Nut agamaha will come. Hasan is in, right? It ends in nakara. And asi is a swara, is a swara. So when Hasan plus asi come, nut agama will get added and it becomes Hasannasi. Example like this. Kurvan plus aste. Kurvannaste. Apatan amuhu. Apatan namuhu. This is the difference. This is the example that we can give. So Hasan plus asi is like apatan amuhu. Hasan asi will become Hasannasi. Nut agamaha will get added to this. Namo hraswadachi ngamun nityam. 8.3.32. In Bhashya Tika, this comes. And this is the sutra that is responsible. So Hasanasi will become Hasannasi. Astu. Tum sab baith rahe ho. Panchama. Kimbhavati? From Yuvam, Yuyam. Yuyam sarve. हाँ. Satyam. Ishtatha, it can be, right? Ishtatha.
Ishtata would be, I think it would be Tishtantaha, right? Tishtantaha.
Tishtan, tishtantau, tishtantaha. Tishtan, tishtantau, tishtantaha, tishtantau. हाँ, because it is प्रथमा विभक्ति. In that way you are saying, right? तुम सब बैठ रहे हो.
Yes.
Right. तिष्ठन्तः स्त. Correct. Good catch. मध्यम पुरुष. बैठ. तुम सब. सत्यम. बहु सम्यक्. मैं देख रहा हूँ. किं भवति?
पश्यन् अहम् अस्मि और अहं पश्यन् अस्मि.
और पश्यन् अस्मि. Asmi already says aham. And again here also ngamo hraswadachi ngamun nityam. Pashyan asmi. That way.
Oh, now I get this thing. Why we have this in Dakshinamurti Sutram as Pashyannatmani Maya.
Ah, first shloka itself, right? Pashyannatmani maya bahirivod bhutam yata nidraya. Correct. Pashyannatmani. Exactly. हम सब खेल रहे हैं. So this will be vayam, huh? Vayam sarve. Vayam. No need survey also. Vayam. Satya. Kridantaha. Kridantaha smaha. रमा आ रही है.
We couldn't hear you, Akashi.
सॉरी जी. रमा आ रही है.
Rama agachati with a dirgha e.
Why gachati? Why not gachanti?
आ रही है गच्छन्ति.
Shapshanor.
Okay, yeah, that's
Shapshanor nityam. Gachanti. Because gam dhatu is vadigana. Agachanti asti. Correct. Okay, one more question. Agachanti asti. If I want to do sandhi karya, what would it become? हाँ.
आगच्छास्ति.
No, agachanti asti will become agachanti asti. That is correct.
आगच्छन्ति अस्ति.
But if I were to say agachanti with a rasva ikara, like how you say something, some other sentence comes and agachanti asti, rasva ikara comes, then what will be sandhi karya?
So A होगा.
No. E plus a plus E will become A. E plus a will not become A. E plus a will also be same. Equal energy only.
the will become the no.
तो ज ही होगा ना, मतलब ह्रस्व हो दीर्घ हो, for both E's it will be the same.
Correct. For both it is equal energy only. Ikaha sthane. Ikaha includes both rasva and dirgha, right?
This was a trick question.
In Maheshwara Sutrani, Shiva Sutrani, if you say, or Maheshwara Pratyaya Haravali, this one we can say. You see, ik is here, e u r r, e, or this is okay, but because here they don't give dirgha, but in Ikoyanachi Sutra itself, when we see, if I go directly to Ikoyanachi, you see, ik includes all this. E, both. U. Whether it is Rasva, R, whether it is Rasva or Dirgha, effect is the same. Ikaha sthane, Yansyada Chipare. So, Achipare, all this is later, and Ikaha. So, here also Agachanti, Rasva E or Agachanti, Dirgha E. Both are Ik. So, both effect will be Ikoyanachi only. Agachanti asti. प्रभा गा रही है. किं भवति?
प्रभा गायन्ति.
गायन्ति अस्ति.
Actually, we thought no need to say na asti. It's redundant.
हाँ, okay. So if you say gayanti, that is dirgha. then
they
yes, you no need to say. But it is, for example, it is redundant in like long sentences where it is fairly obvious that we are using Shatru Pratyaya. Like for example, let's say we are using 3 Shatru Pratyayas. We just put Asti at the end. In long sentences it is true, but for such sentences it is the pure translation still requires it. But you can say Prabha Gayanti Asti.
Prabha
Patta
Gayanti or Prabha Gayanti Asti.
Gayanti
Asti
Asti.
Asti होगा.
Gayanti Asti. That also you get. Gayanti Asti.
Asti.
पत्ता गिर रहा है.
Patanti Asti.
पत्ता.
Patta is Patra.
पत्ता. So patanti asti. Satya. Same.
Patram या Patra because it is Napumsakalinga Shabda, so Patram.
Patram. Exactly. You have to see linga.
But it is Patram.
Linga will not change. Linga will not be affected by whichever pratyaya there is. Linga, the only way linga changes in at least Vyakarana, at least in Rachananuvada Kaumudi. We have not come to that. In Bahuvrihi Samasa. Bahuvrihi Samasa often comes in our Vedanta classes. In Bahuvrihi Samasa, the linga will change. Otherwise, there is nowhere that the linga itself changes.
Akaji, I'm still, very early in the
That's
grammar.
okay.
So, I was thinking from Patraha, Patram. ये use करने के लिए we need to know the linga, right? If it is Napumsakalinga, it will be Patram.
Exactly.
Or if it will be Patra. So therefore here it is Patram.
Correct.
That's what I mean.
That's all.
Not because of the Pratyaya, but just because of
Yes.
it's
No, you are correct. The pratyaya does not affect the linga. Shatru pratyaya does not affect the linga. The linga affects the Shatru pratyaya. Shatru pratyaya rupa, whether it is Gachat or Gachan or Gachanti or whatever, that is based on the linga. The linga is not affected by whether it is Gachati or Gachanti. That is the difference. The linga generally is not affected. That is what I want to say. Linga generally is not affected ever, except in Bahuvrihi Samasa, but that will come much later for us in 2 months.
So unlike in any other language, Sanskrit में हर एक शब्द का लिंग फिक्स्ड होता है.
Why? In other languages also it is fixed only. Your linga is fixed, right? You are Srilinga everywhere. You will always say पूछूंगी, करूंगी, पढ़ाऊंगी, whatever. Na? The linga of the shabda does not get affected.
Linga of the shabda is always fixed. It's the kriya pada which will
Correct.
tell. Okay.
Correct. राम सोच रहा था. सत्यम. चिंतयन आसीत or चिंतयन आसीत. नमो स्वाजी नमो नित्यम. Always in this asti आसीत, when it ends in mean, you can add. कृष्ण पूछ रहा था. कृष्ण पृष्ठन आसीत. वैसा पृच्छन आसीत. पृच्छन आसीत. पृच्छन आसीत. सत्य. पृच्छन आसीत. वे सब ते जलम देन पी रहे थे. आसन is correct. Satya. Asan because bahuvachana. If ever this pibantaha or pibanti, I'm not sure what it is. If that kind of question comes, we know where to look. So this same thing, you just go here and then you see here. So patantaha, pibantaha because it is prathama ek bahuvachana of Shatraprati. So pibantaha, the same. चतुर्दश. तो फूल सूंघ रहा था. Which धातु? सूंघ will be which धातु? सत्य. त्वम
आसी
सत्य. Tu is coming, so asihi. Correct. Asihi. जिग्रन आसीही. नमो हरसाची नमो नित्यम. मैं काम कर रहा था. अहम कर्म कार्यम
कुर्वन् आसम
सत्य. हम हंस रहे थे. वयम आस्मा. सत्य. वयम हसन आस्मा. आस्मा और आस्मा. हाँ
हसन्तः I think.
हाँ हसन्तः आस्मः. बट will it be आस्मः or आस्मा
आस्म
without visarga?
without the visarga.
आसीद आस्ताम आसन आसी आस्तम आस्ता आसम आस्मा आस्मा. सप्तदश. लिखते हुए बालक को देखो. हाँ, now it gets interesting. Now you have to change vibhakti.
पठतः रामस्य मुखं पश्य. This is that time.
Vibhakti has to change.
लिखतः.
No, 1 second. Wait.
Okay.
पठतः रामस्य मुखं पश्य. राम के. यहाँ पे का के की किधर है?
This is almost like बालक को देखो ना.
हाँ.
लिखन्तं बालकं पश्य.
बस. It is like this one. 11th here. द्वितीया, not षष्ठी. पठतः रामस्य षष्ठी. That is correct. But here बालक को देखना है ना. बालक becomes the object. So लिखन्तं बालकं पश्य. कुत्र सन्ति वयं? हाँ, 18. काम करते हुए मैंने. हाँ, दिस इज डिफिकल्ट आई थिंक. फॉर दिस अभ्यास मे बी दिस डिफिकल्ट. काम करते हुए मैंने एक सुंदर फल पाया.
Is it कुर्वन्नः?
काम करते हुए मैंने. सो यू कैन यूज आइदर कर्मवाच्य और भाववाच्य. यू कैन यूज बोथ. मैंने.
कार्यं कुर्वन् अहं
हाँ.
एकं सुन्दरं फलं अप्राप्नुवम्.
हाँ. एक लब्धम अलब्धम. यू कैन से. और इफ यू वांट टू से इन भाववाच्य, व्हाट यू वुड से?
कुर्वन्नहं फलं एकं सुन्दरं फलं अप्राप्नुवम् और लब्धम्.
In karmavachya. That is in not
Okay,
kartravachya.
what is karmavachya?
हाँ.
Oh, okay. Karmavachya would be maya ekam sundaram phalam labdham. Karyam kurvan or rather karyam kurvata maya ekam sundaram
Correct.
phalam labdham.
Yes. Karyam kurvata maya. Kurvata like patata. Here this dvadasha. Patata maya. So kurvata maya. Kurvata maya ekam sundaram phalam labdham. Simple. And if it were kartrivachya, kurvan aham. Kurvan aham ekam sundaram phalam, etc. To solve the same. In this way, this will change. Vibhakti changes because of this. एकोनविंशति. पढ़ती हुई बालक को फूल दो. बालिका को फूल दो. This is easy, huh? This is just like this.
पठन्त्यै बालिकायै
हाँ.
फलं पुष्पं देहि.
सत्य. पठन्त्यै. और can we say, अच्छा ओके, पठन्त्यै बालिकायै पुष्पम देहि. That is correct. दौड़ते हुए घोड़े से शिष्य गिरा. This is the same as this, huh? Exact same. शिष्य नर के बदला शिष्य. Instead of nara there is shishya here. There is no difference. धावतः अश्वात्.
अश्वात् शिष्यः पतितः.
सत्यम. शिष्य पतितः. गिरा they have given because patitah is kta pratyay. Or can we use kavatu pratyay here? If I wanted to,
शिष्यः पतितवान्, that would become, or what would be that? पत्यति, no, क्रिया would be not patitavan would not be there, but
any other guesses? Not patitavan. That is, it is correct that it is not patitavan. Like patitavan. So that makes it too easy. Patitavan. Savatu will be van. Patitavan at least. And why not? They had said, if you remember, they had said for kta pratyay you must use karma vachya. But we are only using shishyaha patitavan. Shishyaha patitaha. Naraha patitaha. Why is that?
because these are bhava vachyas.
Huh. Bhavachya also. But what is the sutra?
These are akarmaka dhatus.
Satyam. Exactly. But there is a sutra. Where is that sutra? Gatyartaka. There is one sutra. Gatyartaka Kamashlisha Stha Savasajana Ruha. Where is that sutra? So here for Kta Pratyaya. This is also Kta Pratyaya. This one. This sutra. Niyama Ekashatam Chaturvimshati. 124. Gatyartha Karmaka Shlisha Sheen Stha Savasajana Ruha Jiryatibhyascha, I think. Let us check. Gatyarthaka, this sutra. Gatyartha karma ka shlisha shing sthasa svasa jana ruha jiryatibhyascha. Because this sutra, since akarmaka dhatu, gatyarthaka akarmaka, here akarmaka is given, so for all akarmaka dhatus, karma vachya is not necessary for Shatru Pratyaya. Kartru Vachya is enough. This is of course a hard sutra to remember, but this is the reason why Naraha Apata, Nareha Patata, Patitaha, not Narena Patitaha. Astu. Kutra Santi? यहाँ पे है ना 21 गीत गाती हुई कमला का भाव देखो किं भविष्यति
गायन्त्याः गीतं गायन्त्याः कमलायाः भावं पश्य.
सत्य. गीतं गायन्त्याः कमलायाः भावं पश्य. 1-1 विभक्ति 1-1 सेंटेंस. लिखते हुए बालक को द्वितीया, करते हुए मैंने तृतीया, पढ़ती हुई बालिका द्वितीया, दौड़ते हुए घोड़े पढ़ती हुई बालिका चतुर्थी, दौड़ते हुए घोड़े पंचमी, घोड़े से है तो पंचमी, कमला का भाव षष्ठी. 1-1 विभक्ति 1-1 सेंटेंस दे आर गिवन. सो दिस विल बी अगेन सप्तमी. जब मैं लिख रहा था एक आदमी मेरे पास आया, तब एक आदमी मेरे पास आया. किं भवति किं भविष्यति संस्कृत भाषायां? मयि पठति.
जब मैं लिख रहा था, सो मयि लिखति सति. मयि लिखति सति नरः आगतः.
सत्यं. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. समीपे आगतः. सत्यं. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. मयि लिखति सति नरः समीपे आगतः और समीपम् आगतः. अस्तु. 23. श्रुति के पीछे स्मृति चलती है. किं भविष्यति? Here we can use the, because they have done gha, right? we can use those Kriya Visheshana Shabdas from earlier Abhyasa.
Shrutyaha prishte smritihi chalanti, that kind of thing.
That kind of thing. Anu Shabda, do you remember which Abhyasa it came in? Anu Shabda? Anu, Prati and all came, right? Something. Acha, it came in the second Abhyasa. Okay, right in the beginning. They had said Deko, that's Abhyasa, right?
Yeah, where we
हाँ
talk
हाँ
about
द्वितीया विभक्ति
आगे पीछे और both sides.
सत्य करेक्ट
अनुसरन्ति ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए.
हाँ हियर श्रुति मानु यू कैन सी श्रुति मानु पीछे बोल रहे हैं ना श्रुति मानु स्मृति ही
अनुसरन्ति श्रुतिम.
हाँ श्रुति मानु स्मृति अनुसरन्ति और श्रुति मानु स्मृति गच्छति सिंपल चलती है चलती बट अनु is correct that anu shabda you can use anusaranti anugachati I don't think you can use because it will mess up the order. Smritihi shrutim anusaranti, maybe you can say that.
Follows ऐसा है ना चलती नहीं है follows ऐसा समझना चाहिए.
हाँ अनु बोल रहे हैं ना so follows like shrutim anu smritihi chalati, that is okay. Or like you said स्मृति ही
श्रुति मानु. I'm not following the मानु शब्द. What is that?
श्रुतिम अनु.
हाँ श्रुतिम अनु करेक्ट. हाँ तो श्रुति मानु ऐसा हो गया वो. ओके
श्रुतिम अनु मौन स्वर से श्रुतिमनु स्मृति ही चलती और स्मृति ही श्रुतिम अनुसरन्ति. That whole thing you can say I guess that I think that should be okay. Anugachati also maybe should be okay. अस्तु चतुर्विंशति शक्ति भक्ति अनुरक्ति और प्रीति को शांति. हाँ दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग वन. व्हाट डू यू से दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
भक्तिम अनुरक्तिम प्रीतिम च शांतियै समृद्धियै च either we can say प्रार्थया चाहो or else इच्छा.
Correct.
That would be
Wonderful. Absolutely correct. Now I have a question. So इच्छा प्रार्थना is लोट लकार. Shanti, shantyai, samriddhyai. Instead of this, is there any other word?
we can do a samasa of all.
हाँ samasa you can do, but without samasa. Samasa you not reach. Even just the shanti. हाँ samasa you can use. Shakti, bhakti, anurakti you can put in one. हाँ हाँ so शांति के लिए शांत्यई. But there is another shabda you can use instead of शांत्यई.
वृद्धि के नाम वृद्धि कह सकते हैं.
हाँ वृद्धि कह सकते हैं वो that is correct. But instead of okay I one more hint. Instead of शांत्यई just शांत्यई it is. Instead of शांत्यई there is another word you can use that often is used in shlokas. Instead of shantyai. So shantyai is chaturthi ekvachanam. Instead of shantyai, very similar word. I am thinking of the shloka, but it is okay. I will say the word. Please tell me if you can remember a shloka because I cannot remember. You can say shantaye, like prarthaye. Which shloka?
This one, right? Sarva Vignopa
हाँ that only I am thinking. But the beginning, do you remember? Gajananam, yeah? शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णु शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदन्त्याय सर्वविघ्नो उपशान्तये is there, right? विघ्नो उपशान्तये. Correct. I was thinking गजाननं भूतगणादि सेवितं शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदन्त्याय सर्वविघ्नो उपशान्तये. शान्तये. So same you can use here also. शांति शक्तिं भक्तिं अनुरक्तिं प्रीतिं च शान्तये इच्छा you can say. शान्तये समृद्धिये च इच्छा. पंचविंशति किं भवति भविष्यति.
मूर्तिं पश्य समितिं गच्छ औषधिं च आनय.
Satyam. Very nice. Oshadhincha anaya. Oshadhincha anaya can be second pada of Anushtup Chanda Shloka also. Oshadhincha anaya. 7 are there. You can use 8, put an extra. Oshadhincha anaya. Bahu samyak. Correct. And Kaksha ke paas. Kim bhavishyati?
कक्षां समीपे
कक्षां समीपे.
पंक्ति पंक्ति ही होता है.
Pankti you have to make into dvivachanam. Pankti is like mati shabda, strilinga. कक्षां समीपे और विद्यालयं समीपे पंक्त्यौ. नो
तयोः
अच्छा.
पंक्तयोः.
हाँ, सप्तमी you will use. पंक्ति में ना, पंक्ति में. So पंक्त्योः. सत्यम.
So won't Pankti follow like
Mati. Mati, correct.
So Saptami, Mati or Matau. So Panktyau
पंक्त्यौ, मत्त्यौ ना.
or Panktyau.
No, but दो पंक्ति में ना. 2 are there. So it is पंक्त्योः, like मत्योः.
दश मनुष्यः सन्ति.
हाँ, सत्य. दश मनुष्याः सन्ति. मनुष्याः.
दश मनुष्यः सन्ति.
हाँ, और व्यक्ति का भी we can take. व्यक्ति, व्यक्त्यो, व्यक्तयः. 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 मति ही जैसे व्यक्ति ही व्यक्त्यो, व्यक्तयः. व्यक्ति ही व्यक्ति व्यक्तयः. सॉरी, मति मतयः. व्यक्ति ही व्यक्ति व्यक्तयः. व्यक्ति ही व्यक्ति व्यक्तयः सन्ति. But there is an important difference here between Hindi and Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, Vyakti is a Strilinga Shabda. In Hindi, we say Vyakti aa raha hai. Right? But in Sanskrit, we cannot say Vyakti, Saha Vyakti. We will have to say Sa, because Vyakti is Strilinga. Sundar, अंतिम सुंदर पद्धति को अपनाओ. Paddhati also is like Vyakti, Strilinga, like Mati.
सेवित होगा अपनाओ.
सेवे अपनाओ is lot, ना? Lot लकार. This will be Sundaram Paddatim, because Paddati Sevasva अपनाओ. द्वितीया एक मध्यपुरुष एकवचनम. सेवतु, सेवतां, सेवन्तु. सेव धातु आत्मनेपद है, लोट लकार मध्यपुरुष एकवचन. सेवस्व. That is the first time. सेवतां, सेवेतां, सेवन्तां. सेवस्व, सेवेतां, सेवध्वं, सेवै, सेवावहै, सेवामहे. सुंदरम पद्धतिं सेवस्व. सत्यम. अशुद्धटु शुद्ध. दमन पान घ्राण दृशं नास्ति. गच्छन् पिबन् जिघ्रन् पश्यन्. Like how Bhagavan says, Pashyan, Shrinvan, Sprishan, Jigran, Nashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Swasan. 2 are there in that word, in that line. 5th chapter, 8th shloka. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyata tattvavit. Pashyan, Shrinvan, Sprishan, Jigran. 3 are there. Sorry, all of them are. Nashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Swasan. Swapan, Swasan. Pashyan, Jigran, Gachan, all are. आगच्छति गायति नास्ति, आगच्छन्ति गायन्ति, बिकॉज ऑफ शप श्यनोर नित्यम सूत्र। दो क को भूतकाल में बदलो, राम आ रहा है, सो भूतकाल में इफ आई वांट, सो हियर आई हैव सेड, आई विल से दिस, रामः आगच्छन् अस्ति, बट भूतकाल में व्हाट वुड आई से? आसीत्, सत्यम, आगच्छन् आसीत्। और इफ आई वांट टू से Rama has come, Rama came, in that way. If I want to say, then which pratyaya I can use? Agataha athava? Athava agatavan, satyam. Athava?
Which we already said, agatan asit.
हाँ, करेक्ट। अथवा there is one more. आगतः, आगतवान्, आगच्छति स्म, और आगच्छत्, just simple lang lakara, you can say that, but here भूतकाल में बदलो, so it's आगच्छन् आसीत्। and same for others also, पढ़ रहे हैं, पठन् आसीत् आस्ताम, because two are there, and सब लिख रहे हैं, लिखन आसन, आसीद आसाम आसन, वर्तमान में बदलो, सो ऑपोजिट। राम सोच रहा था, राम सोच रहा है, सो चिंतयन आसीत नास्ति, चिंतयन अस्ति। पूछ रहा है, पृष्ठन आसीत नास्ति, पृष्ठन अस्ति। इन धातुओं के शत्रु प्रत्यय के रूप तीनों लिंगों में बनाओ। वी डोंट नीड टू डू तीनों लिंगों, we will just do one sentence for 4 or 5 Shatra Pratyaya Rupa. So if I want to use Pat Dhatu with Shatra Pratyaya Rupa, what would be a sentence? So Patan Asti. Satyam. Agam. Agam we just saw, there's no challenge.
Sa agachan asti.
Sa agachan asti. And if I want to say sa, then?
Asit. If it is past tense.
And if I say sa?
Bhavishyati.
Sa agachanti asti. That is for, what you said is correct for lang, lat and lrit. But if I want to say with, that is for pullinga. But if I say with strilinga, then it will be sa agachanti. Like sthadatu. Sthadatu, little challenging.
Sa tishthan asti, sa tishthanti asti.
Satya.
Tat tishthat.
Satyam. Correct. That is something that is not featured in our abhyasa. Napumsakalinga has not come. Pulling Srilinga have come. But Stha Dhatu you can use for Napumsakalinga. That is sitting there. That is just that. Pustaka is sitting there, you can say. Pustaka stays. Pustakam tishtad asti. Simple. So that also you can use. Tishtat, like Jagat. In that way. In Shabdon ke pure roop likho, you have to see later. Mati Shruti Bhumi Prakriti Shakti Ratri Patat Gachat Likat Pashyat. So first 6 will all follow Mati, Ikaranta Strilinga. Patat Gachat Likat Pashyat will be Pullinga or Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, but it will be Shatra Pratyanta Rupa. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Suprabhashyakatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagini व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम।